Hi guys, my name is Erica and I'm an SAT math tutor. Today let's do this geometry problem. I absolutely love these types of problems. These like similar triangle type problems. They're a bit like puzzles. So I'll give you guys a chance to work on this on your own, pause the video, try it for yourself, and then come back with a solution. And all right, let's get started. So this question is essentially asking what the length of AD is. So AD is right here. I always like to highlight these so I know exactly what I'm looking for. So we're looking for AD. So what we essentially want to do is figure out which triangles we can use to create proportions or like ratios in order to find that length. So one of the things I like to play around with the triangles and see which one's going to work for me. So for A to D, we can go to D to F, and this can be one triangle right here. And then there's another triangle we can use right here. There's a big triangle we can use. So we're just going to try out different things, okay? I like to try out an initial proportion, set that up first, and then I work backwards. So what I mean by that is we're going to have A to D, okay? And then I am going to, let me highlight this for you guys. I'm just going to use green for right now. A to D and then D to F. We're going to use those two sides of the triangle, D to F, and we can actually compare these to another triangle to find the correct length, okay? Because they're similar triangles. The way you know if something's a similar triangle is if the triangle is inside of another triangle, you can assume it's similar, or if the actual problem says these are similar triangles, okay? So we can do that. Now what I want to do is compare them with something that I think I can find the length for. And for me, I can see that I have G to E, and I can probably find E to F by using this big triangle in our next step. So I'm going to set that up, G to E, and then E to F. So let me color coordinate these for you. So that's going to be that first ratio. Let's make the second one blue real quick. So G to E, E to F. All right, so that's what we're comparing. And then maybe I'll erase this initial one that we're looking for. Okay. Now we don't have all of these things, so let's fill in what we can. We don't have A to D. DF, we almost have it. It's going to be 1 plus, you can see here, it's going to be 1 plus E to F. Oops. Okay, now we're going to make it equal. G to E, do we have that? Yes, we do. It's 2 over E to F. We don't have that, but looks like everything is banking on us finding E to F. So now let's figure out how we can find EF. Let's make some space. Okay, so EF is right along the middle. Now it's inside of this big triangle here, which we actually have 2 sides of, because this side is 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then 10. So we're actually going to be using that. So we're going to do G to E over E to F. Now when we do these proportions, the sides have to match up. So for example, this is G to E from here. That means whatever's in the numerator has to be the same side, like the coordinating side. So G to H is what we're doing. And then that's going to be over H to C, because we can see E to F is this length, that's in the denominator. H to C is this length, and that's also going to be in the denominator. They're coordinating. So let's just, should we color coordinate this too? Yeah. So let's do this. This is what we're talking about here. And that's going to be the big one. Okay, you guys can see that. And then let's do some purple. That's going to be, ooh, there's a lot of colors in this one. Right there. Okay, there we go. So hopefully that's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Maybe not, maybe it's too confusing. So now we're going to solve this through. So G to E is 2. We've got E to F. We don't know that one. That's one that we really need. We need G to H is going to be 5, because we've got 2 plus 3. 5 over H to C, which is 10. Okay, now we're going to solve for E to F. So we're going to have 20 equals 5 times E to F. I did cross multiplication, by the way. Divide both sides by 5. That's going to give us 4 equals EF. So now that we have this, we can plug it right into our other proportion, our little ratios. So we got AD equals 1 plus EF, which is 4, equals 2 over 4. Now solve for AD. We're going to have AD over 5 equals 2 over 4. AD times 4 equals 10. Another cross multiplication is what I did. Divide both sides by 4. I'm running out of space. AD equals 10 over 4. And then simplify this is going to give us AD equals 5 over 2. That's going to be our answer. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comment section. And I also offer tutoring if you guys are looking for a ACT, SAT, or high school math tutoring. And I'll put those links to that down below. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Bye.